It's got a little bit of waddle. It's got a little bit of waddle. I got.
You got Play-Doh? Here, okay. We're just gonna get messy again. What's in there?
Nothing. It got a little bit of waddle, Mommy.
Oh, okay. It does take a while.
It's done.
Where'd it go?
Nothing. It's done.
Whoa!
Is everybody makes a waffle? Everybody wants some waffle?
Everybody wants some waffles?
Yeah. We got first red and pink. Red colors. We got Mesa colors.
Okay.
Whee! Wee, wee, wee. Colors. Red and
Whoa!
pink. Let's put it in the waffle. Look at that.
Wow.
I want some waffle. I want some waffle, Mom.
Here's a plate.
And let me wait, please.
Here's a fork.
Thank you. We can make some more. More different colors. I got your pink. You make some colors. Red. Water. My way. Do I have some, Mommy?
Absolutely.
Of course, Mommy. Let me have some waffle. Let me have some waffle.
Some waffles?
Yeah. Little bit of waffle.
Just a little bit of waffle.
And make it bigger. Wait, I can make it
Whoa.
smaller. You want some waffle? Get you waffle. Of course. Waffle. And it's a waffle. We want
Wow.
balloons. It's done. Where go? It's hot.
It's hot?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
It's hot. Love it. Wait there, Mom. Wait there, waffle.
Let's put it on the plate. Thank you.
Here's a waffle. Eat it, Mommy.
It's beautiful.
Eat it, Mommy.
Hmm.
It's good, Mommy.
Delicious.
Can I eat it, Mommy?
Okay. I'll eat the whole thing.
All right.
delicious.
This here. Yes. Here. Aw, you're not eating again. You eat always.
It was delicious though.
Okay, I need some waffle too.
Some waffles too?
Yeah, can make my waffle.
Of course.
Can make me waffle. It's very hot.
Do you want a square waffle or a circle waffle?
A square waffle.
Okay.
Beautiful. How on the bottom too? Is that mommy?
I think so.
It's hot. Is it hot, mommy? Is that hot, mommy? Is it hot?
It is hot.
Don't worry.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Let me try again.
Yeah. I missed my waffle.
I'm not as good as a waffle maker. I'm using some more paint.
Yeah, I need some more colors.
Oh, I was gonna make you another waffle. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow. I don't know if this will work. Watch your fingers.
Nice and strong. Is it bigger?
Yeah, it's bigger.
Wait, I can make it get out here. It's Play-Doh. Okay, wait for you. It's bigger. It's heavy. It's heavy.
Whoa. Okay, well, I'll need a circle waffle.
And a
Yeah,
square. Let's get out of here. This thing.
Is this our Valentine's Day waffle?
Okay, I gotta eat it. Delicious. It's delicious waffle.
I'm glad you like it.
Delicious. It's yummy waffle ever. Delicious. Delicious. I can make you square waffle or oval waffle.
I want a circle.
A circle. You want to? It's done. Hot. I mean, a white one.
A white one.
Yeah, a white one plate.
Oh. Okay, it's a big one.
Here you go, Mommy. And here's the fork.
Thank you.
I mean, fork too. I brush my teeth. I want to brush my teeth, Mommy.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I got you some soap. I got some soap.